Hey folks, Shaw here with Royal Tiger Imports, and today I'm here to show you all an unboxing of one of the crates in we got from Ethiopia. We haven't done an unboxing video in a very long time, and I thought today was a good day to go about doing one. So this crate, as you can see, is labeled Vetterli Rifle 10.4mm, so that's going to be your 70/87 that we're anticipating, as well as the Vetterli Rifles in 6.5 Carcano, the 70/87-15. We have not, of course, taken a look inside this crate. You can still see this is banded and it was screwed, but I've already gone ahead and taken out the screws. So we're going to cut these bands off and see what's inside. All right, set our tools to the side for a moment, and behold, a lot of Vetterlis. And let's take a closer look. So right off the bat, you can see that they have stacked about 200 Vetterlis in this box, and it is extremely tightly packed. They do a very efficient job at this. These immediately, you can tell, are the 10.4mm because you've got a very large muzzle diameter on these. And we also see at the other side of the box here some 6.5, and we can immediately tell that they are 6.5 because of the magazine. That is the Carcano clip magazine housing, and right off the bat that one is not in too bad a condition. Unfortunately, it is missing the rear sight. That's a very common thing in Ethiopia for whatever reason, but otherwise no major cracks in the stock on this one. The bolt is functional. You can even see the remnants. It's very, very light, but a remnants of an AOI stamp right here, which was a stamp issued by the Italians when they were occupying Ethiopia for these guns in particular. So that is a pretty good start for finding a 6.5. Let's see if we can pull out a 10.4 possibly. Although, I'll tell you what, they do such a good job at stacking these in here, sometimes it's a little bit hard to get them out. But sure enough, we got one. Here is a 10.4, and this is quite neat. This, if I'm correct, which I believe this is the case, this is either a very early model without the shroud, or it is missing the shroud around the magazine. We have seen quite a few of these that are the very, very early model, and you'll also see some that have the metal inserts for the magazine modification that they did on some of these. This one does have a crack in the stock that they've repaired, but otherwise is not too bad. It's even got an original cleaning rod in it and your full rear sight. So there it is, folks. We've got another crate of Vetterlis, and if you'd like any more information on these, feel free to check out our website, royaltigerimports.com. Thank you very much for watching. God bless.